Hey, what's going on, guys? So today is the day. I am finally putting the new motor in the wagon. So you guys have probably been following this along for quite a while now. I mean, I've been working on this engine for, over a year now. So this is the 22T 25D hybrid, the dual overhead cam, 2.2 liter. That we rebuilt the short block and did all that on the channel. So today I wanted to just kind of do sort of a goodbye video to the stock setup. Well, stock is the TD04 and top mount setup that I have, on the stock 341,000 mile motor. So basically what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to go for a last drive with the stock setup, just kind of talk about the stock setup and how good it is, for what it is. And I'd also really like to do a compression test on that motor just to see what a factory 22T is like after 341,000 miles. So let's go down and take a look at the wagon real quick. Here she is. So this is the touring wagon that we did all the the whole version 2 STI 5-speed swap, and I'm sure you guys have all seen that video, so I don't need to go over what's all been done. But let's see, we have 341,479 miles. Nice. Little cold start. It is hot in here. But yeah, main reason I got this car is because it had such a clean interior for the mileage. It's really dirty and dusty right now, but the steering wheel's got to go. But I went with O2 WRX seats, which these are awesome. I got them for super cheap. We just need to stitch them up a little bit. But I got this car, it had a busted back window, so I just ended up changing the entire hatch on the back. As well as the previous owner killed a deer, so that's why the hood's a different color, because you guys probably saw that in the previous series on this car. But the bumper still sits too low. I tried to pull it up as much as I could, but I'm going to need to work on it again. Get the bumper pulled up so it'll actually match with the headlight. This is actually a really rare color. It's the agave green blue metallic, so it's a really rare color to have. I think they only made like less than 150 of them in this color in a wagon, because it's a 94 only year, so or color. So let me pop the hood real quick. So there she is. You can tell the fucking head gasket's leaking oil all over the up pipe. That's pretty normal for this fucking thing. And you just get used to the smell of burnt oil all the damn time. So really happy to get this motor out. It's really tired. Damn, it's smoking a lot today. Holy shit. But yes, the stock motor, I don't think it's ever had the head gaskets done or anything. It leaks so much, and it looked like factory gaskets from the parts I can see. But you just basically strapped on a TD04 on it. So we'll let her warm up and we'll take her for a spin. Hopefully it stops smoking. If it doesn't stop smoking and it gets worse, I'm probably not going to drive it, but either way, this thing's got to come out. Alright, last drive on this setup. I figure we go up the road here and then, oops. It's really weird trying to drive with this head cam on. Stock setup a little bit. I mean, it's easier to do spark plugs and some stuff like that, and also you don't have to worry about timing belt braking and bending valves and stuff, which the new setup, it's going to be an interference motor at that point, so something were catastrophic were to happen, it would be bad. But that's why I got cheap heads. So one thing I'm not going to miss is climbing this hill, you never know if you should be in third or be in second.
Yeah.
Not gonna miss the burning oil smell. Reaching for the shit handle.
Yeah. Like I said, compared to my two cars that I have, your suspension sucks ass.
It's on the way. Got coilovers on the way. We'll get here.
The fact that my suspension is better than your suspension is sad.
Yeah. Well, we almost spent about the same amount of money. I mean, how much did all your WRX suspension cost?
It ended up costing $500 once we were done instead.
Yeah. So I spent about $600 on coilovers. So and I don't have to fuck with springs and
I don't have to do what I do.
changing springs and all that fun stuff. So I actually like driving this road better at night, which sounds weird because it's like dark, but I don't know, all the shadows from the trees and stuff fuck me up. Like,
Yeah.
oh shit, there's no fucking way.
Don't even try.
It's a boosted fucking Coyote Mustang.
Yeah.
There's a giant, I can hear the blower.
I hear the fucking blower on it.
It's a Pro Charger.
The thing is sick.
Clark Vance on Instagram. I'm gonna try, but my little wagon with its old motor can't hang. I know it. You don't want to play?
There it is. They're about ready to let her out, but
Should I move? Should I move?
We're about to go drive.
Alright, there she is. So I think we're going to do a compression test real quick before we pull this motor out. But it's the last time this motor will pull this car under its own power. We've done a compression test. This is basically all it is. You just kind of screw this thing in with a spark plug hole. And we're going to unplug the fuel injectors and crank it. And it'll crank it over a few times and it'll see how much pressure this thing actually will produce. So.
Pretty good. Sweet.
Alright, so that's number 4. So after 341,500 miles, it's still got perfect compression. So this goes to show you, if you maintain an engine, it will keep going and keep living on forever. So, I mean, this thing obviously needs piston rings because it does burn oil and it leaks oil out of the head gasket, and it would need like essentially a rebuild anyway, but it does hold good compression. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to end this video here. Tune in next time for the teardown of this. We're going to start on it right now, but that's going to be in the next video. So This is the new engine that's going in, which you guys have seen like 1,000 times. So thank you guys for watching. Just tune in a couple days. We should have this engine out. Get ready to strip it all apart and get the new one in. So yeah, see you guys next time.